What's up, y'all? We are in Mbombela, formerly known as Nelspruit, South Africa, and we are going to take a walk around. We're in the neighborhood we are in is a corner of Dolomite and Flamboyant. So I don't know, it's interesting sounding streets. We're going to take a look around, see what Mbombela is all about. This is one of the fastest growing cities in northeast South Africa and the gateway to Kruger National Park, which many of you may have heard. It's where they keep the big animals. The big five are there. Those giraffes, zebra, and all kinds of fun stuff. A lot of international tourists pass through here on their way to safari lodges. If you actually stop in the city itself, Mbombela sits in subtropical region near Mozambique and Eswatini, giving a completely different feel from Johannesburg or Cape Town. We are in a nice little upper middle class community, so it's going to look a little different than, say, the downtown does of Mbombela. The climate here is going to be warm most of the year, often climbing above 90 degrees Fahrenheit or around 32 degrees Celsius. Mbombela is the capital of Mpumalanga, however you say that, province, one of South Africa's major tourism and agricultural regions. The city has roughly 110,000 people in the urban core, while the greater metropolitan area is much larger. The area is known for producing citrus, banana, macadamia nuts, sugarcane, avocados. Agriculture and tourism drive much of the economy here, especially because the city acts as a major supply hub for travelers headed into Kruger National Park. And because of its location to Mozambique and Eswatini, Mbombela serves as a major transportation and trade corridor. Mbombela reflects the diversity of South Africa itself. The majority of the population is Black African, primarily Swazi, Songa, and Zulu communities. Though you'll find white South Africans, Indian South Africans, and mixed communities throughout the city. You'll hear multiple languages spoken here, including Swazi, Zulu, Songa, Afrikaans, and English. English is commonly used in business and tourism, especially around hotels, shopping centers, and restaurants. South Africa itself is going to feel much younger than Europe and the United States. Median age in South Africa, 28 years old. It's a large number of young people throughout the country. Like many cities in South Africa, Mbombela has major contrast between wealth and poverty. See shopping centers, luxury SUVs, and gated communities, but also settlements and areas facing unemployment challenges. Safety is something many travelers ask about before visiting South Africa. Mbombela is generally considered safer and calmer than larger cities like Johannesburg and Durban, especially in the tourist-heavy areas. This cute little guard dog here. That said, take basic precautions and still be very aware. Petty theft, opportunistic crime, and car break-ins happen here just like other cities around the world. You will avoid many problems by not going out at night, but you will know security around here. Lots of razor wire gates and such. And guard dogs. Unlike many major African cities, Mbombela feels less crowded and less chaotic. There's more greenery and open space, slower pace overall. One reason some foreigners are increasing in cities such like Mbombela is a lower cost of living compared to many Western countries. While South Africa faces challenges, visitors from US, UK, or Europe often find restaurants, hotels, transportation, and services significantly cheaper than back home. And some interesting facts about Mbombela. The city officially changed its name from Nelspruit to Mbombela in 2009. Fairly recent name change. And Mbombela roughly translates to many people together in a small space. The nearby Kruger National Park is one of the largest game reserves in Africa, covering nearly 7,500 square miles. And the region around Mbombela is one of the world's major macadamia nut producing areas. The city hosted matches during the 2010 FIFA World Cup at Mbombela Stadium, famous for its giraffe-inspired architecture. So that's a look at Mbombela, South Africa, a city most people only pass through on the way to safari adventures, but one has its own unique culture, economy, and atmosphere. If you enjoyed this walk, make sure to subscribe to Street Level Reality for more real-life walking tours, demographics, street-level exploration around the world. Let me know in the comments, would you live or visit Mbombela? This part I'm in looks to be pretty swaggy. I like it. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button. See you in the next one. And how about all these monkeys hanging in Mbombela?